What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet, the Christmas tree designed by Elena Polkanova. So as always, go ahead and check Elena's Instagram profile. There you can find the more awesome Paracord project as well. Full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core without working ends you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome Paracord bracelet, as many other tutorials. So that being said, we can start with our today's project. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna take the Paracord feed or a needle so we can insert the green and the red paracord. Today we're gonna use the green and the red Paracord 550, also the brown one. Here we joined our red and the green. Now we're gonna insert it into the bracelet core and we're gonna continue. So now when we insert our working cords, red and the green, we're gonna take the red one and we're gonna make it from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the left side. So from the top into the gap, like so, and we're gonna pull it aside. Now we're gonna take the green and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand, but this time from the right side, so like this. And pull it to the side, and while we're there we're gonna just make it under these two inner core strands, so like this, and we're gonna exit from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, like so. Now from here we're gonna simply pull this green under the loop of this green one, like this. So under the green and on top of the brown, and now from here we're gonna pull it all the way through, and now we're gonna make it around the red one and from the back through the loop, like so. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight and we're gonna proceed. So from here we're gonna take the red and we're gonna make it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, like so. And from here we're gonna take the green and insert it into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left, through. And from here we're gonna return, and from the back side we're gonna pass it in the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, like so. And now under the green and around and from the back side through the loop. Very simple, very fast, but also very beautiful Paracord bracelet. So here we are almost on the end of today's project. Now we're gonna do the final weave and cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, secure it, and we are done. So here we are. I hope that you like this project. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until the next time, as always, wishing you just the best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.